It's not uncommon right now to find somebody who has paid maybe $60,000 or $65,000 for a very high-end pickup truck. Well, even the average pickup truck now is going to be crossing over that $50,000 barrier. The new Chevy Silverado just starting to roll into showrooms. The expectation among Edmunds and some of the other analysts is that, yes, you will see the average price for the Silverado top 50,000. The MSRP, it starts at almost 49,000 to begin with. What we've seen with pickup trucks is advancing higher prices over time. This is what the average is for the big three pickup trucks right now. And you see the Silverado coming in at just under 44,000. Many believe, look, that's going to jump up when you add the new features into that model. Jeremy Acevedo at Edmunds believes this is what we're seeing because you see more and more buyers who are coming into this from a lifestyle point of view.
The lifestyle buyer is looking for a lot of the appointments that are coming from their SUVs. Indeed, with the pickup trucks, there's luxury that really outstrips some of the SUVs that Chevy, Ford, and Ram will have as alternatives.
So the big question is, what does this mean for Ford and the F-Series? Now, Ford is the dominant pickup truck in this market. They have about 40% of the pickup market in the U.S. sales this year. In a flat market, actually a down market, they're up almost 5%. They are expected to sell more than 900,000 of the F-Series this year. Guys, you are right. These are the profit drivers for the automakers. Forget about cars. Forget about sedans. Those are money losers. And that's the problem. These guys have been slow to get out of cars and sedans.
Phil, slow to get out of cars and sedans, but when we were talking about the average that they'd have to be able to produce in terms of fuel economy and what those standards were going to be, I don't know how you get there without small cars being part of the mix.
Well, you're going to have to come up with some creative ways, whether it's electric, whether it's hybrids. Don't be surprised if you see the automakers increasingly, as they move more and more towards trucks and SUVs, you've got the capped fuel economy standards that they can go back to the government and say, look, as these sales increase, perhaps you're going to have to change things a little bit.